Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to share SmartV between Titan Web and Titan Forms. Amazing functionality, actually it's so cool, I can't wait to show it to you guys. So this is my Titan form. If you're a Form Titan user, very familiar with this, and this has got a SmartV set up on it. Alright, so this is my SmartV, looks pretty good, it's all set up. Now within my Titan Web I've set up this project which brings back contact details, and it's going to bring back cases. Alright, so what first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to configure SmartV directly on this Titan Web over here. Over to user access, switch on SmartV, I'm going to choose contact, and the value is going to be contact ID, and then my email will be email. Alright, let's click next. Click next, we don't need to add, and then for the verification we will put the verification, which is two-factor authentication, and put the secret key like that. Alright, click next, next, include a registration page, fine, parameters, fine. So here it is, okay? Then I want to bring back these contact details. So we'll go over here, go over to Salesforce, we'll create a new get. Alright, and the get is going to be from the contact. And then conditions, what we're going to do, we're going to say contact ID must equal my SmartV ID, like that. And then in the mapping, I'm just going to say last name goes to last name, first name goes to first name, email goes to email, and mobile goes to mobile. Very, very simple. And then it's not going to be an auto trigger, it's actually going to be a user action. And the user action is going to run when I click on this tab here. So this is a tab, and you can see I'm going to do an on-click action. So here's my contact, okay? Now, one of the things I also want to see is all the cases related to this contact. So instead of building everything in here, I know I already have a portal set up within Form Titan, I can just grab it in here. And the way I do that is we click plus, we go over to Forms, and we do Titan Form, we just drag it in there. And then Salesforce / Titan Case Portal, this is the one, and I click apply, and there it is, okay, in its glory with the login screen in it. So let's make this a bit wider so this fits the screen, and then I'm going to show you how cool this is, like that. Alright, so it's in there. So right now you can see you can't really share the SmartV because you have to log in, so that's what the end user is going to see. They're going to see a login screen, which isn't really handy because if the same user log into Titan Web SmartV, they should be able to share it. So the first thing you want to do is click on this, and under the content you want to do check shared session. Really, really important you do this, otherwise it's not going to work. Alright, so what this means is the SmartV between Form Titan and Titan Web will now be shared. That's it. And then over into the Form Titan side of things, you need to actually access your SmartV. So let's say I do SmartV, and then over here under the map fields, you need to make sure you've got Titan Web Session checked. Alright, this is really important because if it's not checked, it's not going to work. So Titan Web Session must be checked. And then you click Save, and that's really all you have to do. There's nothing more that needs to be done. So that one's good to go. Now all we need to do is click Save, make sure it's all in there, and then preview. Now who am I going to access in my portal here? So I'll show you. 1 second. Let me log in to my so right now as I logged in, as you can see, I'm logged in as Joe Blogs, who's got a few different cases, and then look at that. Pretty cool, right? So, and then here, this is Titan Web. So it's pulled in Joe Blogs. These are the cases, and it's in the shared form. So the user is automatically authenticated. I can access all the details that I want from Titan Form directly into Titan Web. Really cool functionality. Yeah, and that's what shared SmartV session is. It's literally 3 settings. One, you make sure once you are in here in Form Titan, you check Titan Web Session, and then within Titan Web, when you import your form, you just simply go ahead and check shared session, and that's it. That's all you need to do. And yeah, that's SmartV session for you.